How to send gift anonymously on Amazon. If you want to send an Amazon gift anonymously, the best way to do it is by using a gift card. Amazon gift cards can be sent without displaying your name or your address, so the recipient will not know who sent them the gift. You can purchase Amazon gift cards at the most grocery stores and online on Amazon's website. But if you prefer using website, follow the steps below. Choose the gift you want to purchase. Tick the Add Gift Options checkbox. Select the item from your basket. Click Buy Now. Add the delivery address. Choose the right gift options. Make returns easy for the gift recipient by emailing them a digital copy of their gift recipient. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.